the Mighty Warriors coaches and also a former player, someone who's got an acute knowledge of the Zimbabwean women's football landscape and will be tasked with assisting us in delivering the mandate towards women's football and the environment of women's football in Zimbabwe. I call upon Coach Rosemary Muganza. We're also cognizant of the need for expertise and the need to invite and allow young persons within the Zimbabwe nation to be part of the solution. And it gives me great honor to call upon a leading young lawyer who will be tasked with assisting and revising our statutes and looking at the policies of the ZIFA as well as the HR restructuring commitments that we've made. And I call upon Nyasha Sanyamandwe. Finally, the team will be led by their chairman, someone with extensive knowledge of Zimbabwean football, someone we can turn to remind us of the glory days of Zimbabwean football, and somebody that we'll turn to direct us towards better times for Zimbabwean football. We call upon Mr. Lincoln Mutasa.